what button so you can become a niece and nephew and become part of my big happy family where everything that comes out of this kitchen is full of fun, love from me to you. Today we're going to be making cabbage steaks. Yes, cabbage steaks. No, it's no moo-moo in here. No, nothing with 4 legs. It's cabbage. And they're called cabbage steaks. Seasoned cabbage steaks. So if you give Auntie a moment, we're going to do a slip and a flip, a flip and a swip, whatever we want to call it, okay? And I'll show you what you need so you can make these for you and your family. You know what Auntie says, or keep it to yourself. All right, so we're going to get started, okay? Hold on. As you can see, I have a nice, pretty little cabbage. This is a small cabbage. So this is for a small cabbage. And it's been washed, so I need to clean my little body up here. Okay, you're gonna take a pan. It's I lined it with foil because I you know how Auntie is, honey. Toss and go, toss and go. I don't know what the measurement of this pan is. I'm not that particular like that. But I lined it with foil and I put some olive oil. I've already taken some olive oil and put it on the pan. So I'm going to slice these into some slices. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Auntie got to get her famous gloves on. Yeah, I'm still mad about my oven not arriving yesterday. I'm still upset about that. But thank goodness I have my good buddy over there. You know, my convection, whatever your word is. But I'd rather not. I don't want to damage the refrigerator. So we're going to cut this like so. You can keep this if you want to. That's up to you. I'm keeping it because I'm going to be using these little pieces. These little pieces for a dish later on. Another recipe. So you're going to cut them. You can cut them thin or you cut them thick. I suggest you cut them a little thicker. Like that. And you want to keep them together. Keep them together. Keep them together, nieces, nephews. And you're going to place them on the sheet. Like so. You're going to place them on your baking sheet. Like that. And you're going to slice you another one. I did that because trying to keep it from falling on hitting the board. So it's okay if they touch. That's just goodness touching goodness. Going through that core is a little harder. And I ain't trying to cut myself. No, Auntie not trying to do that. And if I have some scragglies along the way that fall over to the side, that's all right. Looking like I'm going to get one more out of you. So I got 4 beautiful cabbage steaks. And I'm going to keep these two. This right here, I'm not going to throw these out because I'm going to use this, but I don't need this. Okay. Let me get something to put. I need to get something to put this in. And let me get my board cleaned off and Auntie will be right back. Okay, we're back. So what I'm going to do now is I have a half a stick of melted butter. I'm going to swirl that goodness around. And to that, I'm going to add some extra light olive oil. This is just the regular old olive oil. Could have added some of my infused olive oil, but I didn't. And if I would have thought about it, I would have added, I think I still will. I think I still will add some of that. It has the fine herbs already in it. I think I still will. I'm about halfway out anyway. Gonna get that all mixed in with those fine herbs. Because it has oregano and thyme and stuff like that in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my cabbage. I'm going to brush them. I'm going to brush each steak. Don't be stingy now. You can't be stingy. You got to get it good, nice. Get that butter on there. Nope, don't be stingy. And if, you can do both sides. And since I don't want to throw anything away, I'm going to take both. Since I've decided to use the infused olive oil, I'm going to do both sides. Go ahead and just do both sides of my cabbage steaks. And just lay them back down. My pan already has some olive oil on it, but just do both sides. I don't want to pick them up too much because I don't want them to fall apart on me. Oh, let me show you guys what I'm using. This is my that's white truffle. I'm into I love my different oils and stuff. So, I like Iberia. It's infused with the fine herbs. I like different types of oils. So, like I said, this is mixed with them. So, might as well just go for the gusto. Go for the gusto. Go for the gusto. Okay? Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. Now, in here, I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of seasoned salt, and a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And all I'm going to do, I already have it all mixed up because I sprinkle it on here. Give it some love. Make sure you give each little head some love. Each little steak gets some love, okay? And this is it. And the rest of it is up to your oven. Put that over there. And I'm going to put this in. You put this in the oven. I'm using my conventional oven, but I just have it on straight oven. But I'm going to put it on convection, whatever, because it cooks faster and it cooks with a lot of air when you put it on that setting. So I'm going to put this in here, and it's going to cook for 30 minutes at 375 until I'll be right back. You guys will love this dish. Hold on. Welcome back, nieces and nephews. Now here we are. Here are our cabbage steaks. They look delicious. I have to take a little piece of one. That tastes good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Very, very tiny piece for auntie. And see, they look really good. They're nice and tender. Nom, nom, yum. You can keep them longer. And if you want, I don't like that. I don't like the char on them. No, auntie don't like the char. But if you like char, you can have char. Hey, they're yours. You can do what you want to do with them. I just gave you the recipe. This is auntie's recipe. So what I like to also do, you know, aunties take a little bit. I'm gonna use that little one over here to show you what I'm talking about. Is that you can put some balsamic glaze on it. You can add a little bit of fruit infused balsamic glaze, or you can use the regular balsamic glaze. Add a little sweetness to it if that's what you like. I'm gonna use the regular one. Just a little drizzle here. Just a little drizzle. Just a little. You can have a little balsamic glaze drizzle. I have different fruit infused balsamic glaze, and like I said, you can add a little bit of that on there. I use the regular. To me, I'm telling you, balsamic glaze elevates veggies and some recipes. This is my favorite though. The pear. That's my favorite. The pear infused balsamic glaze. Okay, family. Yes. So I just want you guys to see this. I'm glad. Thank you for hanging out with your good old auntie. I hope you make these cabbage steaks. It's a great dish. It's a great side to go complement any other veggies to go with. You can complement if you want to eat this with a meat entree, or just add it to some other veggies and have your nice vegetarian meal. You can do that. So thank you for hanging out again. Hold on, family. So don't forget, try this for yourself. And to the next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.